how to log someone out of your Roblox account. So first, what you want to do is go to your Roblox. So I'm in the desktop app of Roblox. And once you're here, just go to settings. So for me, I'm just going to go here on more and just go click on settings right there. Then go to security. Just click on the arrow button right here. And once you're here on security, as you can see, when you scroll down a little, you will see where you're logged in, which means where your Roblox account is logged in on whatever devices it is in. So let's say this device is on Windows or PC. And if you want to log it out, just simply click on the arrow button right there. Then click on log out of session. So you will be logged out of that particular session. So just simply log out. And as you can see, it will just automatically go out. And now I'm logged out of that device. So if you have many devices currently logged in, what you can do is just simply click on log out of all other sessions and just simply click on log out. And if you see a device that you're not familiar with and it is logged in on your account, your device might be hacked or your device might got breached. So what you can do is make a 2FA or authenticator app so that when your Roblox is signed in again, it will send a code to your authenticator app, or their authenticator app has a code where you can put on Roblox to log in. And you could also change your password just by going to account info right here. And as you can see, I have my password right here. So I just simply click on the pencil to change password so that they could retrieve your account before the hacker or someone changes it, and you can't retrieve it if they can change a password and stuff. And that's how you basically log out accounts on your Roblox account.